I can't say it enough times, that the stem cell regimen and protocol offers hope.
I absolutely believe that the future of medicine lies in the use of biologic agents to regenerate, not synthetic agents.
All tissue repair in the body is initiated by stem cell.
The most powerful cell that we have in our body.
He said it was phenomenal. I mean, he said it's one of the most incredible experiences he's ever had.
Well, this is just the tip of the iceberg.
It's a transformative technology. It is the promise of hope.
If you didn't have stem cells, you could only live for about an hour.
We could have a tremendous amount of impact on the care of medicine.
We're harnessing essentially the innate ability of self-repair to indeed help the body heal from within.
No drug company or surgical device company is going to tell you about all the benefits of stem cell therapy because it disrupts their industry. It eats into their market share and their profits.
It's just like unlike anything you can imagine, and this is the hope.
So there's not going to be any fancy TV ads or print ads telling you all about the amazing benefits of stem cell therapy. The task is ours.